Hello again everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video we have the HabiStat Spider Starter Kit. I bought this from a local pet store called Appleton Exotics in Wigan. It was £125 and I bought this with a Mexican red knee tarantula, a juvenile, which cost me £69.99. Now this starter kit comes with a glass terrarium, 30 centimeters by 30 centimeters by 32 centimeters. It comes with a thermometer, a coconut cave, a water dish, spider bedding, moss, plastic feeding tongs and a spray bottle. And basically everything you need to get started with your tarantula. Now since I bought this last week, it's already been set up. The tarantula's in there. So yeah, we'll just talk a little bit about it. Now as you can see, we have the thermostat and we have the lid. Now the lid unlocks by lifting these levers and pulling them inwards. And what that does is, you have two more at the back there, so you can take the whole lid off if you want, or you can just open the front too and just lift it up. I'll be honest, one drawback for me is that these are quite small and they can slip out of your hands quite easily, which would mean you would be dropping the lid and frightening your tarantula. So it's a bit of a drawback for me, that. It has a mesh top. Also, I'll just show you. At the back here we have holes for any wires that you need to put in there. Then this will close to a point that so insects can't climb out. We have 4 of those in total, 2 on each side. Now at the front you'll notice these vents. What that does is it allows the air to circulate and be released through the top. This is the door latch for the front. You just pull that down, then open it up like so. We have around 10 centimeters of bedding. We have the moss, the coconut shell in the corner, and the water dish here. Now this door, I'll just do this gently, I don't want to startle him. You can put a padlock on this door. You can see that. You can put a little padlock on there to stop any little children opening it up. You can see him there in the corner under the coconut. The coconut is upside down because I was handling him last night and I used the coconut to put him back in the tank. So I just left it there because he crawled underneath it. Ordinarily that coconut would be the other way up. You can see him there. He's only little for now. He shedded just over a week ago, and he probably will once every month until he's an adult. We feed him a few times a week, little crickets. Anything that's half the size of one of its legs is generally okay for feeding. Now I did handle him yesterday, so I'm not going to handle him again today. So yeah, overall it's a nice little tank. You could possibly get it cheaper than what I paid. I'll have a look around the internet, see if I can find it cheap online. I'll post links and other information in the description for you. So, over the top. So overall, it's a great little tank and it's perfect for this red knee. But like I said, the only drawback for me is how small these little levers are. They can easily slip out of your fingers, making you drop the lid, and we don't want that. Lock that back up. So as I mentioned before, you do get some bedding in the box, 5 litres worth. You get a spray bottle. You can do some misting once every couple of weeks, just to keep the humidity levels correct. You get a little care sheet, or a keeper's guide, which explains a few things, answers a few questions. And if you lose this, Google's your friend. And you get some feeding tongs to help you feed it. And I think that's it. I don't think there's a lot else for it, so thanks for watching. Bye.